Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to find the TikTok shop on PC. So currently I'm logged into my TikTok account here on PC, and if you can see, I have the FYP page, my following, friends, Explorer Live, and whatnot. Um, this is going to be a little different. Actually, to find the TikTok shop on PC, you don't look for it on your TikTok account. You actually have to Google TikTok shop. So we're going to do that just now. And here you can find it on shop.tiktok.com. So if you click here, you will notice that I am no longer logged in. But if you want to get started on your TikTok shop, you can just go ahead and log in. Or you can scroll down and learn more, find or choose what category fits you the best, and you click learn more here. But once again, just to summarize, there is no way to find the TikTok shop from within your TikTok account. You have to go to shop.tiktok.com and then log in from there. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.